Is your productivity stopped because your scientific or mathematical software can't find the Libgfortran-5.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we start the Libgfortran-5 manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This DLL file is the modern Fortran runtime for current GCC versions. It supports the latest Fortran standards and provides high-performance math routines for intensive data processing tasks on Windows. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This error usually occurs when your scientific or mathematical software is damaged or incompletely installed. Download and reinstall the latest official version of your scientific or mathematical software to replace required files such as the Libgfortran-5.dll. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Libgfortran-5. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install the Libgfortran-5.dll into directories where it doesn't belong. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes the Libgfortran-5 related documentation. If this diagnostic helped you resolve the Libgfortran-5 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.